crow has ruthlessly attacked a little bird in the street and killed it, it looks like. I guess it'll come back and pick it up at some point. A few minutes ago, the little bird was alive. Little bird's still alive, trying to make it. Our other birds, oh my word, that is crazy. Now even other birds of its own kind are attacking it. Wow. The crow is attacking it for a while. This is kind of like mob mentality, man. Are they coming to help it, or are they coming to attack it? Oh, they're attacking it too. Wow. Unbelievable and brutal, man. Started out with a crow attack.